Gentu's waitlist functionality allows you to easily manage patients that are waiting for an appointment in the practice. To view all patients currently on the waitlist, navigate to the appointment menu and select Waitlist. From here you can view the waitlist for a specific provider, a priority of the waitlist entry, the patient contact details, whether the patient has an existing appointment, the patient's availability, and any notes. To add a new patient to the waitlist, select Add and search for the patient name. Select the priority of the patient entry, the relevant provider, and the patient's available days. Enter any relevant notes and select Save. A patient can also be added to the waitlist from their existing appointment if they are waiting to move to an alternative date, by selecting the waitlist tick box and entering the relevant details. When an appointment becomes available, you can select a patient from the waitlist directly from the appointment window. If the patient has an existing appointment, Gentu will prompt you to confirm the change of appointment date and then remove the patient from the waitlist.